Can AI build a full game yet? So again, the simple answer is no, and these are the reasons why AI can't build full games yet. AI can spit out pieces, not products. Today AI can make art, code, snippets, music, or even dialogues. But game is not about pieces, it is a pipeline. You need to make the design, assets, systems, testing, optimization, then publishing, all from the same people just to make all things aligned. So AI can't glue it all together into something that is very stable or shippable. AI can definitely generate a character model that has a very bad topology that might be fixed in the future, but that does not mean it's rigged, animated, or optimized. Again, topology might suck. They might do it, but integrating this character model after doing and going through all these very major steps and doing all the optimization, rigging, and animation, and going for a prompt system that actually understand what you are referring to, you need to integrate it with the gameplay that still needs a human to do. AI doesn't understand fun. A game is not just rules or art, it's about the player psychology. Fun, pacing, tension, reward loops, surprise, and difficulty balance could be understood through basic math, but you cannot really iterate them by having multiple case scenarios that you learn through playing video games that AI cannot really access. AI does not feel games, so it cannot iterate based on this boss fight was good or this boss fight was wrong according to your memory from playing and brainstorming other video games. Humans still drive creative direction and emotional design, which obviously AI lacks. AI struggles with the scale and consistency. AI tools love to generate in isolation, so one model, one track, or one dialogue tree. But in a game, everything has to be consistent. Art style characters cannot look like they came from 3 different artists or from 3 different art directors. Code bases systems cannot conflict, it will cause multiple problems. Narrative tone, the dialogue must align with the world building and other stuff, so this is something very difficult for AI to do. For example, without a human pipeline, AI project collapse into pieces and a very Frankenstein-like of a mess. Pipelines still need humans. Big AAA pipelines, for example the stuff that are used from like Activision, Rockstar, or Capcom, rely on producers, QA engineers, and directors. So what's the real future? AI would play a role as a multiplier, not a replacement. As we see, for example, Unity 6.2, AI already cut costs for like example management of files in 6.2 showcase. So for example, for Unity they used it for management. So you can cut costs using AI in such major. Some people might even do it like for placeholders, VO maybe some concept art or gray box scripting. I would not advise this. There's better pipelines for that for the current scenario, but it's something for the future that could actually be in people that are not interested in like the casual old style game design, so they want to do something with the like new AI. So the companies that want to adapt with AI, they would use this to cut some cost. AI can make game jams and tiny prototypes almost solo, but again, this is for something that is very small and it's used like for example for just one code or stuff like that, or for error handling. And because game jams levels are getting way higher, it's very hard for an AI to produce a full game rather than helping some small games like error handling and stuff like that. But to hit the level of Elden Ring, GTA, or even small games like Celeste, you need humans orchestrating the pipeline. You can think of AI as a team of interns, great at cranking out drafts, but you still need experts to refine, direct, and stitch everything into somewhat of a real product. Again, it would have some also disclosing limitations. For example, Steam and other platforms gonna need you to disclose this is being produced using AI help or something like that. So you need to disclose that, and this could potentially, because people gonna hate AI and they already do, gonna decrease the sales count for you. So I would advise you getting or trying not to use AI at all and stay casual. So but you could use it in the future if you were really interested in AI. So the core truth is AI cannot build a full finished shippable game today. What it can do, it can just shrink a little bit of timeline, cut a little amount of budget, and maybe help smaller teams to manage files in engines like Unity. So share us your opinion in the comments. I try to answer all the comments and read them. Thanks for watching. Definitely subscribe and hit that bell button, and see you in the next episode.